Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily change the subtitle size in Netflix on your iPhone. First, let's go into settings. Then you're going to scroll down and select General. Then you're going to select Accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down all the way down to Subtitles and Captioning. And then you're going to select that. Then you're going to select Style. And from here you can choose large text size, or better yet, I would say select create new style, and then you can select size, and then you can choose medium, large, and you can see it shows you example there, or extra large. And then whenever you're watching Netflix, this would be the size of the subtitle now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.